Today we'd like to talk about Altlayer, Alt USDC trading pair with my customer care set. Let's dive in. Guys, you remember that FIB? We are still around okay zone to buy. So we tested several times the best zone to buy, but just in case we can drop again to this block, I add my alert to buy more alt in this area, and I will buy more in this block. So if we'll see some flash crash, on altcoins, but I just to be honest, don't think so. We will see some crash on alts. Would be good to see the correction on the Bitcoin. If we hit, for example, 65K, then drop to 60K, consolidate sometime, and pump in October, November before election, and Bitcoin dominance can still go to 59.65, what I shared in yesterday video. And after that, would be good to see the pumps on altcoins. But till that time, Bitcoin dominance over than 50%, I don't think so. We will see some crazy moves on altcoins. That's why I add, this is a daily time frame, I add my alert to buy more here. In a few days, alt performed pretty well, 67%. Anyway, sooner or later we're gonna close all that order flow. So the main bullish target is here. So to sweep that high for continuation, to build a new structure. So technically, this low and this high, it's just a range. So we can trade long-term period in this range. Unfortunately, this zone, it's okay zone to buy. I shared in my first main video about Altlayer after listing, so congrats, you didn't hop in around here. And until that time, of course, everybody talked about no, it's impossible. Take a look, Altlayer hold the line pretty strong. So I made a video around January, and yes, till April, yes, we traded in the uptrend, and everybody talked about we go only to the moon, but then we collapsed it down and came in, yes, to the best zone to buy. Now I bought it, Altlayer, here for my investment portfolio, and it's more than okay to hold it for long run. The targets for Altlayer, I think just my personal opinion, will be over then. Let's go to weekly time frame. I think over then maybe $1 or $2 for sure. For sure, I think it's just my humble opinion. So now it's hard to say how high we can pump, because now we just trade in that model. So the time to fix profit, time to accumulate more will be in this area again. Time for invalidation of that idea can be drop on the listing price and a Binance, also more than real to see. So just in case. So that's only up to your own risk. Monthly time frames. So we just we can consolidate long-term period in this. I don't know, range between 12 cents and, for example, 7 cents. And this is going to be this one, it's okay zone to buy. And this one is a monthly gap. So anyway, sooner or later, we're going to test that monthly gap. It's fulfill around 28 cents. So the plan, if you bought it here at the bottom, you can add 100% withdrawal initial deposit, leave free coins, or fix some profit here at 28 to 67, or fix in this block. So 27 zone, like you remember, it's okay zone for fixation, swing trade. But I will hold till new all-time high. I don't know, maybe till Bitcoin dominance will be under, I guess, 45%. And I think by timing, it's just my humble opinion, I think we will see the end of altcoin season by end of April, May 2025. Then small pullback in summer, then cat bounce, last one in November, October 2025, and then new bear market, unfortunately. So this might take, would be good to see, of course, to see the test of 61 level FIB, and then drop it down a little bit lower. But all zones technically are relevant. So if you accumulated before in this area, now it's only up to you, fix some profit or not. If you accumulated just for local swing trades, you can take a profit now, because yes, we bounce it based on that Fed they cut rates, right? So anyway we can continue rally, but then anyway we'll see the pullback. That's why I add my alert. Let's take a look with my customer graph, what's going on now with the Well position. What I like, what I don't like. I like we are in, we've been here in accumulation zone. So it was a good time to buy. So here in August, 610.65, it was a good time to buy. Then we got a, without divergences, we just pump it. And now we're just in the middle. So yes, of course, we can skyrocket like crazy to the top, and this will be more than okay. We lay down at the bottom on direction. What I don't like on a daily time frame. Let's delete that gap. I don't like on a daily time frame. We are in a distribution zone, right? And take a look. We are on the market mode. We are in area zone. So I would like to see the pullback. Also on the weekly time frame, we are still in area. And also on direction, no accumulation signals. Take a look on the daily accumulation being here. This accumulation. Now that pump without accumulation. So technically it can be the local distribution. 12-hour time frame also. Here, it was a disbelief on 12-hour time frame. The best zone to buy, disbelief, divergence on ATZ, pump. Now this is distribution zone and area. So this is locally for local trade. You know, it's not a crazy accumulation zone because technically, imagine we can drop like, I don't know, maybe 20%. So it will be more than okay, right, to jump once again to 9 cents. So on the next week, for example, because Bitcoin pumped pretty good. Money power. Also, what I don't like, take a look locally. Here's a money inflow, money outflow, money inflow, MACD, bullish divergence pump, money outflow. 1, 2. So basically 2 days in a row, we get a money outflow. So today we start money outflow on daily time frame. Yes, of course, we can go and test even 20, 12 cents, 70, 16.44, and then drop it down. But just in case, guys, it's just locally on a daily one. It's for intraday traders. Globally on the weekly time frame, of course, it's good, still good zone. Accumulate that token here. The main money inflow being here, and now we lay down on the bottom. So congrats everybody who accumulated alt. I think this coin will perform pretty well. Trade on weekly, no data. On the daily, here what I don't like also, we saw the signal to buy. Here was signal to close some part of position. Here's a take profit from the signal to buy. And we get a money outflow. So locally, yes, I think we can see the pullback. Also take a look 12-hour time frame. Here, buy, take profit. So even if you trade by that logic, you could accumulate and fix profit like 45% on a spot. But of course, you can't trade only with one single indicator. Locally, globally, everything okay. Personally, for me, for alt, I truly believe this token will perform pretty well and hits $1, $2, or even higher, right? But locally, yes, we're still in a downtrend, and we can see the pullback. If we hold the line at this, technically this gap, for example, on the daily, would be good to see even the full fill of that gap and not sweep of that lows. Yes, it's going to be the crazy bullish signal personally for me. Also, what I don't like that one. This is take profit, and we can test 15 cents take profit line on the daily 12-hour time frame. Here we already tested take profit line. So that's it. Let's close trade on this one. So yes, all lines are dynamic, and unfortunately, we can see that even like this move, for example, and then drop again to the buy line. Yes, just in case. So this was a test of the fundamental value of the token on the 12-hour time frame. On the daily, we traded under fundamental price. Here is the under fundamental price, test the buy line. So most locally bullish target is 15 cents or 16.95. Then or correction to 50% of that range, or like this one on 12-hour time frame. It can be this small and drop even to the buy line. Buy line till that time, by beginning of October, can be again at 7 cents. At 7 cents, I will accumulate aggressively one more time. I add this token to my investment portfolio, guys. I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what do you think about Altlayer in general. If you would like to trade with my custom maker what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.